Well, YouTube, guess where I am? I'm on a train heading to Kansas, and I'm actually passing a train right now as we speak. Address to the Amtrak train, and the train's passing. Now, unfortunately, this will not be done with bagpipes, but we're still going to address it like the haggis at a Scottish burn supper, but address to the trains. The mesmerizing sight of trains passing. Some of these trains actually have cyan light on them. I wouldn't say some of the trains, but some of the cars on the trains actually. It's about 7 o'clock here. Oh, that's a nice blue one right there. That was a really cool one. So what better way to explore RGB than from an Amtrak train? And actually, the night lights on here are actually blue, so there we go. Got blue night lights. There we go. And yellow freight cars with green and red light bouncing off at the same time. Anyways, there it is. It looks like we're stopping. That is one big train. So there we go, address to the Amtrak and all the other trains, just like a Scottish Burns supper, only minus the bagpipes. There we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.